Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will share with you one of my favorite recipe, how to cook scrambled egg perfectly each time. The ingredients needed: tomato, spring onion, a bit of oil, butter, and a total of 4 eggs. So friends, for this recipe I'm using a total of 4 eggs. You certainly can adjust that amount. Next I'm just going to go right ahead using a fork and remove the inside membrane. So friends, the secret for making perfectly scrambled egg, it is all done by doing this. Whisk. That's right, whisk. At this point, I'm just going to go right ahead for 1 minute, this total of 60 seconds, and just give it a good whisk. So friends, on this channel, I bring you guys new recipe and easy recipe that you can put together in little time. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. This will help us improve. Thank you. Next, at medium temperature using a non-stick frying pan. Once my pot is fully heated, next I'm going to go right ahead with 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Next, you just want to go right ahead and just move it around, prevent your egg from sticking. Next friends, to ensure that your egg cooked perfectly, you want to go ahead and add at least 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil and just give it a good toss. So friends, after a minute or so, once your butter and oil has fully combined, you want to go right ahead and add your egg. After 30 seconds, you just want to go ahead gently and just move it from side to side. This will ensure a evenly and perfect cooked egg. So friends, as I mentioned earlier, the key to making perfect scrambled egg is all done by whisk. Once you give it a good whisk, you will receive the best scrambled egg each time. Next, for seasoning, I'm just going to go right ahead and add a pinch of black pepper and also a bit of sazon complete seasoning. So friends, below you can find a list of ingredients and measurement for your convenience. So friends, in less than 5 minutes, you certainly can make this recipe at home. Next, to finish it off, I'm just going to go right ahead and add some chopped tomato and also a bit of spring onion. So friends, here we are. Under 5 minutes, now you know how to make a perfect scrambled egg at home in little time. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please consider subscribing. This will help us improve. Thanks for watching. Until next time.